Welcome to today's assembly.
Please stand quietly for the national anthem. Primary School would like to acknowledge our local Indigenous tribe, Gunai as the traditional custodians of the land. At this school, we recognise our elders and the Indigenous people who have their own cultural space before us. They have their own way of life and have contributed to the way we live now. Thank you to the Indigenous people in the Gunai tribe for the land that we are meeting on today. We're looking for jokes, so we've set up a joke box. So we'll be taking jokes from there every week and saying your jokes. If you'd like to put jokes in there and have them said out loud, just put some in there and then hopefully you'll get chosen. These are some of the artworks that the grade 6s did, and we're focusing on oil pastels. Congratulate Sienna for winning the colouring competition.
What inspired you to do the colouring competition?
I like to draw and I like to colour and I like going in competitions and I was happy that there was a colouring competition because I like colouring.
It was the Alex Scott Real Estate Competition. What did you win?
I won a $50 voucher for Toy World. I also won $500 for the school.
Congratulations! Since we have Rockfest coming up and we can't have anyone perform at assemblies, we've recorded some videos, so here are some from earlier this week.
Do you know why you can't run through a campsite? You can only run because it's past tense. Have a great weekend!